Good evening, judges. We're from the WhiteOmatic group, and that's basically what our invention is called. I'm Irma, he's Nicholas, this is Michael, and this is John, and we're from secondary 3. And so basically the WhiteOmatic is an automatic whiteboard which uses the pulley system, as you can see, and basically it can just erases the whole board and just a turn of a knob and a press of a button.
How do we make it? The materials in this eraser is pretty simple. All we use is metal, wood, pulleys, rollers, and ropes. This is a simple way of a pulley system that effectively works in erasing the board.
So why did we create the installation of WhiteOmatic? We see that the teachers sometimes get tired erasing the board, then eventually they will ask us students to erase the board too, and of course we also get bored and tired. So we created this. We see that it can actually make our lives easier. The automatic eraser will automatically erase the board for us, so we don't have to do it, and all we gotta do is just turn the knob, press the button.
The benefits. It uses less labor, it uses less manpower, as without this invention, people have to erase the board with a really small whiteboard eraser. It will take, and sometimes it will be hard to erase it. It makes people's life easier too. All you have to do is just turn the knob and press the button, and it saves a lot of time. Because without the invention, we have to erase with a really small whiteboard eraser, and it's gonna take some time. With this, it erases the whole erases the whole whiteboard with one sweep.
With all good things, there are always drawbacks. The eraser, however, is unfortunately not cost effective. It takes a lot of resources just to build it. It also takes up a lot of space, and compared to the average small whiteboard eraser, it takes a whole room. It's also very difficult to set up if you can't fit through the door. And we haven't fixed out some mechanical glitches yet. It's still in its prototype stage.
So what will we do after this presentation? We hope to continue to improve the design, make it more cost effective, as hopefully eliminate all the drawbacks we mentioned just now, and make sure try to reduce the cost so that all schools in the world could buy the product we have made, the automatic eraser.
And we will now demonstrate our prototype. As we have said, we use the pulley system. You see the pulleys over there, and strings and stuff. So
That's where it works.
And this is basically what we do.
Oh, another drawback is it's very loud. Well, you can see this part is ready.
So basically you can see it's pretty effective. All you just have to do is press the knob and press the button, and it actually erases cleanly. It's not like half the erase.
And as we have said, there's still some mechanical glitches we haven't fixed.
But we've actually made a big improvement. As you can see, when you go to school, there's usually like this big whiteboard downstairs, right beside the receptionist. That was our first prototype, and then we made a smaller version of it, so we can fit through the door.
Are you done?